The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. Ah, and lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a date with my husband and I decided to share with you guys how I transformed myself from this look to what you are watching now. So if you guys are interested, you should please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I post a video. Comment, like and share this video with your friends and loved ones. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. I'm also gonna put all the things that I used in this video down below. So with the hair, I did it myself. So if you guys are interested in getting the same hair, you can contact me down below as well. And yeah, the first thing I do to my face is to apply my facial cream, and I have already done that. The second thing I always do is to apply my sun cream. So the sun cream I'll be using is the Nivea Sun Anti-Age Face Sun Cream, and this is how it looks like. I apply this on my face not to burn my face when I get in contact with the sun. So now that I'm done applying my sun cream, I'm then going to put on my Kiko primer, and this is how it looks like. I tend out to get a lot of oil around my T-zone and on top of my nose, so that is where I normally concentrate a lot when I'm applying my primer, and as well as my eyebrow area. Now that I'm done applying everything that I need to put on my face as a base, I'm then gonna start plucking my eyebrow because they have grown a little bit, so I need to work on it before I can do anything else. So I have here my tweezer. I also have here my spoolie brush. So I'm gonna brush my eyebrow to the direction I want it to go. I do the same thing here. I'm now coming to start plucking my eyebrow. So if you are that kind of person who cannot do this, you can go to the salon as well and they can fix it for you. But I'm used to this, so I don't have any issue with that. I'm also gonna brush it to make sure everything is okay the way I want it. So as you guys can see, I'm done with this eyebrow here. I'm then gonna go straight ahead and fix this one as well. And you can also see the difference between both eyebrows. So with the eyebrows, you will never get it the same. I don't know why, but it's always very difficult to get your eyebrow the same. So I'm doing the best that I can. So the next thing I do is I'm going to use my eyebrow pencil to outline my eyebrow, and the pencil that I'm going to be using is the Technique brow pencil, and it's in color brown black, and this is how it looks like. So like seriously, I really love this pencil a lot. It's inexpensive and it works as the same as the expensive ones. So I really love this pencil a lot. Put on some little lip gloss. So I have also sharpened up my pencil, so it's very important you do that as well. And what I do is I'm gonna outline my eyebrow from the down part and then move up to the top part as well. But at this stage, you don't need to be very worried if you get things wrong. That's the reason why we have the concealer. So you can use a concealer to, you know, recorrect anything that you have done. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing the same thing on the left side as well. And as you guys can see, I am filling in my eyebrows, and I'm not starting from the end here. I'm starting somewhere in the middle. I'm doing the same thing here. Yeah, I know I look very messy now, but everything is gonna blend in well when we are done. I'm gonna be using my spoolie brush here to blend everything together nicely. Now it's time for me to correct any mistake that I think I don't like it, and I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's in Fan, and this is how it looks like. I'm also gonna be using my angle brush to apply my concealer. So on the top, you can also use your foundation shade if you don't like the concealer, because the concealer color is more lighter than the foundation. And yeah. So now that I'm done with this side here and I feel so okay with it, I'm just gonna go to the other side. I'm gonna use my foundation brush. It's a little bit dirty, and the foundation brush I'll be using is Mary Kay, and I'm gonna blend everything together. I also focus a little bit on the front side so that I will not get the harshiness or very dark color around the beginning of my eyebrow. So I then go in and press my brush like that. So I'm gonna start applying my eyeshadow, and what I normally do is I sometimes use eye primer, I sometimes don't use it. So I'm just gonna apply my concealer around my eyelid, and you can also use your foundation, doesn't really matter. Like, you do what you think is okay for you, and you don't necessarily have to get all these things I'm using, because all hands are not the same. So now that I'm done, I'm going to use my foundation brush to blend everything together. I'm also gonna set my eyelid using my face powder, and the face powder I'm using is NC 44.5 MAC. I'm gonna start applying my cream eyeshadow, and I got it from H&M, and this is how it looks like. I really love this cream eyeshadow. Like, it's really pigmented, so when you apply it on your eyelid, it really stays down, and it's so good. Guys, I forgot something here. I normally use my tape just to help me see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing on this side as well, and this really helps if you're a beginner and you are struggling doing your eye shadow application. This is amazing method that you can use. MAC eyeshadow. So guys, blending is very important whenever you are doing your eyeshadow. I'm gonna blend everything together with my blending brush. I'm gonna apply some mascara on my eyelash. So I'm gonna remove this one as well. I have already applied my primer on my face, so I'm gonna go straight ahead and put on my foundation. And the foundation I'll be using is, as usual, my Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24 Hours Foundation. And so guys, if you have not watched my first impression video or my thoughts about this foundation, you should please check that video out. And yeah, so I'm gonna put some here. So it's a full coverage foundation, so I don't actually take a lot. Oh, that one is a lot there. So we're gonna blend everything together And yeah. I'm gonna blend everything together with the same brush that I use. You can also use BB blender if you feel comfortable with that. And for me, I use both of them, so yeah. I'm also gonna be using my BB blender here, and I'll be spraying some setting spray on it to blend everything together. So now that I'm done applying my concealer underneath the places that I want to highlight, I'm then gonna set it up using my Ben Nye banana powder. So some people leave the setting powder on for a little while, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just going to blend everything together, and yeah. So it's now time for me to contour the places that I want to contour, and I'll be using my MAC NW45. This is how it looks like. So I contour here. I'm also going to be using my MAC face powder and C44.5, and this is how it looks like. It sets my whole face, and yeah. Guys, this is how my face is looking like after blending everything together. So I'll be using the Kiko Smart Eye Pencil in number 804. This is how it looks like. Outline my lips. I'm gonna be using my NYX Duchess matte lipstick. This is how it looks like. I also have a video about these lipsticks, so you guys should check that video out as well. I'm gonna apply that on my lips. So I'm gonna be applying my blush on, and I'll be using MAC, and it's Fever. And I also use my highlight as well, and the highlight I'll be using is the Technique Get Gorgeous, and this is how it looks like. The final thing I'm gonna be doing is to finish up my eye makeup, and yeah, I'm gonna be using the same cream eyeshadow that I got from H&M underneath my eye. I'm gonna put on my eyeliner, and with the eyeliner I always love to use pencil eyeliners because I find out that it's very easy for me to work with, and that is what I'll be using. And I'll be using the Technique Brow Pencil in color black. So I also correct any mistake that I do with the leftover concealer I have on my angle brush. And we'll be using these eyelashes here. With my eyelash application, I really find it very difficult, but we're gonna see how everything is gonna turn out to be. So some people say that when you are doing that, you should look downwards. So we're gonna see. So guys, I am done applying my eye lashes, and yeah, so it wasn't actually easy, but we have fixed it, and this is how everything is looking like. I'm then gonna go in with my Smashbox photo finish primer, water, set and refresh spray. This is how it looks like, and I'm gonna set up everything with this spray here. And yeah, now I am done. I'm just gonna put on